What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can scrape emails from Twitter by creating a simple automation on make.com. Let's get started. To scrape emails from Twitter, I'm going to use this tool called Apify. Apify is an incredible tool that you can use to scrape any website and automate projects. So create an account on Apify, and after creating an account on Apify, head over to Apify store. And here, we'll add the name of the website that we'd like to scrape. In our case, we'd like to scrape Twitter. So I'm going to search for Twitter. And here you'll see 133 tools that you can use to perform an action on Twitter. You can scrape tweets, profiles, searches, followers, metrics, comments, ads, using the various tools on Apify. But in our case, we'd like to scrape emails from Twitter. So here I'll search for Twitter email. And here we're going to get the specific tools that we can use to scrape emails from Twitter. Here we have two amazing tools. I'm going to choose to go with this one since it has been used by more people than this one. So I'll open this tool on a new tab. And this is the tool that we're going to use to scrape emails from Twitter. Here, we'll add a keyword that we're going to use to scrape emails from Twitter profiles. Here we can add a keyword like digital marketing. You can also add email domains. You can either add a domain of a specific company or a Gmail or Yahoo domain over here. And then here, we're going to add the maximum number of results that we'd like to scrape. For example, we can scrape 10 emails using our tool. And now to scrape emails from Twitter profiles using our digital marketing keyword, I'll click on Start. Here, you can see that our tool is running and it's getting our data. Here, you can see that our tool succeeded in scraping 10 emails. These are the emails that our tool scraped from Twitter profiles using our digital marketing keyword. So here we're getting the email addresses, we're getting the email domains. Here we use the digital marketing keyword. We're also getting the bio on their Twitter profile. We're also getting their username and their Twitter URL. Using our tool over here, we managed to scrape 10 emails from Twitter. To perform this action automatically, we're going to create a simple automation on Make. On Make, I've created a scenario that I've renamed to Twitter Email Scraper Automation. And here, since we are scraping emails from Apify, I'm going to search for Apify. And then click on Apify. I'm going to click on Run an Action module. Here, you'll need to create a connection between your Apify account and Make by clicking on Add. And then here you'll rename your connection. And then from Apify, you'll add your API key over here. Get your API key. On Apify, click on Settings, click on API and Integrations, and here you'll find your personal API token. All you have to do is copy it and then paste it right here and click on Save, and your connection will be created. But since I had already created my connection, I'm going to close and choose my connection right here. Characters, I'm going to choose our tool. Yeah, I'm going to search for our tool and choose the email scripter tool. Here, I'm going to choose to run synchronously. And then here we'll need to input our JSON. To input our JSON, I'll go back to our tool. And then here you'll see manual and JSON. Click on JSON. And then here we'll copy our JSON. And then before we add it on Make, I'm going to add our JSON on a JSON formatter tool to format our JSON. Now to format our JSON, I'll click on Process. And here our JSON has been formatted. So I'll copy it and then go back to Make and paste our JSON right here. So we are scraping emails using this keyword and we'd like a maximum of 10 results. I'm going to leave everything as is and click on Save. So here, I'll rename this module to Email Scraper. So this is our tool. And then now here, I'll add another module. And then on Apify, I'm going to click on Get Dataset Item module. This is the module that will get our emails after we've scraped the emails using our tool right here. For the dataset ID, I'm going to add the default dataset ID right here. And then click on Save. Now, let us test our tool and see if we're going to scrape emails using our automation. To do that, I'll run automation. Here, you can see that our tool ran successfully. Here, we succeeded in scraping 10 emails from Twitter using our digital marketing keyword. And these are the 10 emails that we scraped over here. So here you can see we have a total of 10 emails that we scraped using our tool on Apify. And on each results, we're getting the keyword that we use, the email domains, the email that we scraped, the title of the user, the URL of the Twitter profile, and their bio over here. Yeah, I'll rename this module to get emails and then click on OK. Now, after we've scraped our emails, we can automatically add our emails to a Google spreadsheet. On Google Sheet, I've created a spreadsheet that I've renamed to Scraping Sheet. This is a spreadsheet that we're going to add our emails after we've scraped the emails from Twitter. On this spreadsheet, we're going to add the username, their email address, the domain, keyword, bio description, and the username URL. To add the emails to our spreadsheet, here I'll add another module. Then on Google Sheet, I'll click on Add a Row module. Here, I'm going to choose our spreadsheet. Our spreadsheet is called Scraping Sheet. Here we're going to choose our sheet name, which is Twitter emails. It will say that our table contains headers. And then here, we're going to add values to our columns on our spreadsheet with the data scraped using Apify. So for the username, we're going to add their title right here. For the email address, we'll add the email. Domain, we're going to add the email domain. For the keyword, we'll add the keyword that we use. The bio description, we'll add the text. And the username URL, we'll add Twitter URL right here. And then click on OK. Yeah, I'll rename this to emails. And then click on OK. Instead of digital marketing, you can choose another keyword. For example, accountant. And then click on save. And I'll let us scrape emails from Twitter using the keyword accountant and add the emails to our spreadsheet. So here, I'll run automation. Here, we scraped 10 emails using our keyword accountant. Then we got the 10 emails right here. And then we proceeded to add the 10 emails to our spreadsheet. On our Google spreadsheet, you'll see that we just added our emails that we scraped using our automation over here. We added a total of 10 emails. We also added the username of the accounts, the domains, the keyword that we use, the bio description, and the Twitter URL over here. On automation, on our email scraper module, here, you can see we are hard coding our keywords over here. If we wanted to scrape emails from Twitter without having to hard code our keywords on our module, I'll add our keywords on a different sheet on our spreadsheet. So on our spreadsheet, I've created another sheet that I've renamed to keywords. This is the sheet that we're going to add our keywords instead of having to hard code our keywords over here on this module. On our Google Sheet, I'll click on Watch a Row module and find our sheet. I'm going to use this module as our trigger. And then here, I'm going to search for our spreadsheet. Our sheet is called Scraping Sheet. And here I'm going to choose our sheet name. This time around, I'm going to choose the keywords sheet. Our table contains headers. I'm going to limit it to 1. Since we like to scrape emails using one keyword at a time, then here I'm going to click on save. It's asking me to choose where to start. I can choose from a specific ID or choose manually. I'm going to choose manually and choose one of our keywords. For example, I can choose digital marketing and click on save. And now here on our module, instead of hard coding our keywords, I'm going to choose the keyword column on our sheet and then click on save. So here, I'll rename these to keywords and click on OK to scrape the emails using our digital marketing keyword and add the emails to our spreadsheet. I'll run automation. You can see that automation ran successfully. Here we got our keyword, which was digital marketing, that we used to scrape 10 emails from Twitter. And here we got the 10 emails that we scraped. And then we added the emails to our spreadsheet on our scraping sheet. So on our spreadsheet, I'll click on Twitter emails, and you can see an additional 10 emails that we scraped using automation. So here, I'll insert a row to separate the two runs. So here we have the email addresses that we scraped using the accountant keyword, and here we have the emails that we scraped using the digital marketing keyword. Now, if you're scraping emails for outreach campaigns, we can proceed and write first line compliments that we're going to add to our email campaigns for these prospects. Now, here, we not only scrape their emails, we also scrape their bio. So we can use their bio to create a personalized first line compliment for their outreach campaigns. Here, we can use an AI tool like Gemini. So I'll search for Gemini, click on Google Gemini AI, and I'll click on Create a Completion. Here we're going to choose the latest model, which is 2.0. I'll choose the role of user. Here we can add an item, for the message type, we can say text. And then here we can tell AI to write for us a personalized first line compliment from our prospect's bio for outreach campaign. So the prompt of our module could be in the lines of write a personalized first line compliment for an outreach email campaign from these Twitter bio. And here we can add our bio. I'm going to click on save. Now, after we've written our Twitter bio using AI, we can choose to add it to our spreadsheet. So on our spreadsheet, I've also added another column for the personalized first lines. So on automation, here I'll add another module, and then on Google Sheets, I'll click on add a row module. Here I'm going to search for spreadsheet, choose our scraping sheet module. I'm going to choose our sheet, which is Twitter emails. Then here, for the personalized first line column, we're going to add the results that we get from our module right here. So here, I'll rename this to personalized first lines, and then click on OK. Here, I'll limit it to 5 because of time. And then here, I'll choose where to start. I'm going to choose software engineer as our keyword, then click on save. And now to scrape emails from our software engineer keyword, then add the emails to our spreadsheet, and then write a personalized first line for our prospects and add the personalized first lines to our spreadsheet. I'll run automation. Here, you can see that automation ran successfully. Here, got our keyword, which was software engineer. Then we scraped 5 emails using our keyword. We got our emails over here. Besides their email, we also got their Twitter bio over here. Then we added their emails to our spreadsheet. Using AI and their bio, we wrote a personalized first line for outreach email campaigns to these contacts. Then we added the personalized first line to our Google spreadsheet. On our spreadsheet, you can see we added 5 more contacts over here using the keyword software engineer. Here, we can add rows above to separate the software engineer emails. You can also do the same with the digital marketing emails. And another thing we added was personalized first lines for these contacts that we scraped using automation. And then we added the personalized first lines to our personalized first lines column on our spreadsheet. So let us read some of the first lines that the AI wrote for us. Dear Danny, I was really impressed to see your expertise in the man stock. It's a powerful combination. And the other personalized line that it wrote for us was, Hi, Effie, I appreciate your clear and straightforward bio, highlighting your expertise building websites and mobile apps, especially with the direct mail for freelance stroke full work. Okay. Another first line it wrote for us was, saying your bio showcasing proficiency in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, and Python really caught my eye. A strong tech stack. It also wrote for us, Hi name, also it didn't get the name of this username. Your description as web plumber really caught my eye. It's a great way to describe a crucial role in the digital world. These are pretty decent personalized first lines that AI wrote for us using our automation right here. So by creating the simple automation on make.com, you'll be able to scrape emails using a keyword from Twitter and get the emails and add the emails to a Google spreadsheet. We've taken it a step further where we're using their bio to write a personalized first line that we're going to add to our outreach email campaign. Then we added the personalized fast lines to our Google spreadsheet right here. If you have an automation or a system in mind that you'd like for me to create, just comment down below in the comment section. And if I land on your comment and I find it intriguing, I'll come back on a future video showing you how to create the entire system or automation from scratch. But for now, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.